Are you a businessman or businesswoman? Do you have the ability to create something? What do you sell? What are you into? In this video, I'm going to show you how to market your product, how to advertise your product to the people out there without paying any money. This is Experience with Anas the Filmmaker. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for all the content that I'll be creating. Okay, so how are people going to know what to do or locate you? This is the strategy. The first thing you need is a smartphone, which I know we already have. Somebody will say, how? How am I going to use my smartphone to market my business? Is very simple. Anytime you produce something or get stock or you get something new, probably you come out with a new craft design, I'll always entreat you to take good pictures and video with your smartphone. I repeat, always take good pictures and video with your smartphone. Now you have your content, which is a video or pictures evidence of what you do, of what you are capable of doing, of the kind of business you are doing, of the kind of stock in which you have now. In business, people in your contact is your immediate potential client, and don't assume everyone in your contact already know what you do. No, always give them a reminder. Always post on your status. Assuming you post what you do, the pictures and videos that you shot with your smartphone on your WhatsApp status, and within 24 hours, 100 people from your contact, 150 people from your contact viewed your status, automatically you have marketed or you have advertised your product or what you do to 100 people, which is amazing. People don't take note of that. It's really, really important, and it helps. People will get to know what you do through your status, and it's free. You don't pay anything. You just get your data bundle, then you are good to go. Never think that those social media app is for recreational purposes. It's one of the biggest market platform that you can market your product, that you can tell the world what you do. You can be in Ghana, you can be wherever you are, but you tell people what you do across the globe. So don't always look at the fun aspect of TikTok. Don't always look at the fun aspect of your social media apps, but rather look at the business aspect. Make friends, connect to people on this platform and tell them what you do. Market your product. Take good video, take good pictures with your smartphone and tell the people out there what you do. And through that, you get to reach a lot of people, and your business is going to grow. Your business is going to reach a larger audience. Trust me. Constantly post on your WhatsApp status. Constantly post on your Instagram status, on your Instagram page. Constantly tell people what you do through TikTok. I treated how to use your smartphone to take good video like a pro in my other tutorials, so you can go and check it and you learn how to take good video with your smartphone. You post it, it's for free, so that you reach a larger audience. Thank you very much, and this is Experience with Anas the Filmmaker. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for every other content that I will be creating. Like, tell us at the comment section, has this video been helpful to you? Has it been useful to you? What do you want to learn? What do you want us to teach you? We are here to teach and learn together. Thank you. Bye-bye.